Time for us to go on to activity 2.3. This is about cross-sectional views. What are we going to do with cross-sectional views? Let me just turn all those off. All right, let's read what the thing says. Click the section view icon in the heads-up display. The section view icon is that one right there in the heads-up display. Okay, drag. Oh, so I need to actually click on it. Okay, so now I clicked on it. And now there's this plane, and it says drag the arrow in the center of the workspace. Drag the orange arcs near the arrow. Okay, so first I'm going to grab the arrow. Okay, look, now I'm slicing through the part. That's pretty awesome. If I grab these, I can rotate the whole thing and look at slices in sort of various angles. Great. So now I'm learning about that. Now we go on to this second bullet point. Choose a cross-section. Now, while any cross-section will do, try to choose one that better helps you understand what's going on in the system. So, for example, if I were to be choosing this cross-section, it doesn't help me very much in knowing about what's going on in the product. But I can come up here to something like this and understand a little bit better what's going on. So maybe I choose that one. Okay, let's see what this says. Try to choose one that helps you understand what's going on inside. Notice the options in the feature manager, which is this thing over here on the side. It's called the feature manager. If you ever wonder, you can just hover on these. See, it says feature manager. Okay. I can do a few things. Maybe I don't want to look at this plane. Maybe I want to look at another plane like this one. This one might help me way more in terms of understanding what's going on. Or maybe not. These are chosen by picking these things. Right now, the top plane is the one that is the reference. And we were on the front plane before, which is this one. Okay, and then this is the right plane. Okay. I'm just going to choose one of these. I'm going to choose it like that. You're probably not seeing a red. Oh, by the way, I guess there's some other things we need to know here. We also want to notice that there's this green check mark here in the top corner. This green check mark says, I'm good with that. And then it goes ahead and it gives me that entire cross-section view. Now, if I want to change that cross-section, I'm just going to turn that cross-section off and then turn it back on. And now I can just go get another one. Now, I can hit this green button that's up here, or I can hit this green button that's way over here. Both of these will do the same thing. They're acknowledging to the system that I've gotten what I want. Okay, now that I know how to make cross-sections and see inside things, I'm just going to turn off my cross-section view. And I can turn it back on if I want and hit OK, and I'm back to the same cross-section I was at before. Or I can just turn it off. So now I have multiple ways of sort of interacting with the part. Now the next thing I want to do here is I want to go on to activity 2.4.